Every pencil begins its journey with a simple piece of raw wood.
The harvested logs are transported to a facility where their transformation begins. The raw wood enters a controlled environment where each step is carefully managed. The first step removes the outer bark to prepare the wood for shaping. The cleaned logs are sliced into long, uniform wooden slats for further shaping. The slats travel into the grooving machine. High-speed cutters carve precise, symmetrical channels for the cores. Graphite cores are carefully set into the grooves to form the center of each pencil. The slats are sealed together, enclosing the graphite to create solid pencil blocks. The solid blocks are shaped into smooth, round pencils with precise cutting tools. Each pencil is carefully finished and inspected before it reaches the world. The finished pencils are grouped and prepared for precise packaging.
Each bundle is placed into a neatly formed package with exact alignment. Each package is checked again to make sure everything meets the final quality standards. Clear labels are applied to organize and identify each finished pack.
The finished packages are organized and stored safely in the warehouse.
The pallets are wrapped and secured to prepare them for transport.
The packed cartons are carefully loaded into trucks for delivery.
All final checks are completed to ensure a smooth and accurate shipment. These simple pencils complete their long journey, ready to be used every day. The shipment begins its journey toward stores and classrooms around the world.